Free fall. Learning activity sheet number 9.0. Free fall. Let the body initially be at rest and move under the influence of gravity from a height h sub o downward. If one ignores air friction or assumes motion in vacuum, the motion is described by the position on the y-axis, instantaneous height y of t, the velocity of fall v of t is equals to v sub 0 equal of t, and the initial height h sub o, the constant acceleration of location of a freely falling body, is called the acceleration due to gravity. And we denoted its magnitude with the letter G, that is a gravity. We will frequently use the approximate value of G or a gravity at or near the Earth's surface. This is the acceleration sub y is equals to G is a gravity, is equals to negative 9.8 meter per second squared. So this is the formula for position. Y is equals to y sub o plus v sub o y times t plus 1/2 a sub y t squared. For the time, t is equals v sub o y minus v sub y all over divided by a sub y. Velocity, v sub y is equals to v sub o y plus a sub y t. Initial height, h sub o is equals to v sub o y squared over 2a sub y. So let's have an example. A €1 coin is dropped from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It starts from rest and falls freely. Compute its position and velocity after 1 second, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. So this is the image for the Leaning Tower. Look at the image. So y, we use the variable y because down yung mangyayari doon sa coin. Nahuhulog siya galing sa taas. So ang i-compute natin is its position in 1 seconds, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. And after that, yung velocity naman din. So let's have a solution for position. So we use the formula to solve the position. Y is equals y sub o plus v sub o y times t plus 1/2 a sub y plus multiply t squared. Ayan, so wala tayong y sub o, wala tayong value is equal to 0 yan. Downward plus yung v sub o natin, wala din, 0. So matitira is t plus 1/2 ay t squared. So ngayon, 0 na yung dalawa. 0 plus 0 times t, 0 din siya. So maiiwan natin is y is equals 1/2 a sub y t squared. Yung a sub y, that is acceleration. Diba? Yung gravity, yung acceleration due to gravity. Yan siya. So yan siya. So y is equals 1/2. Yung a sub y, pinalitan natin ng value na negative 9.8 meter per second squared. That is our acceleration due to gravity. And then the t squared. So yan yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve natin si position. So let's proceed for the velocity. Velocity is v sub y is equals v sub o y plus a sub y multiplied by t. Ayun. So 0, di ba kanina yung v sub o y? So 0 yan. So matitira is v sub y is equals to negative 9.8 meter per second squared multiply natin ng time. So, ang gagamitin natin yung ito na siya, itong v sub y is equals negative 9.8 meter per second squared multiply by t. Yan yung gagamitin natin for the velocity. So, let's do first a position. Compute its position in 1 second, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. Okay, si position, yan yung gagamitin natin na equation. So, ayan. So, for t is equals to 1 second, yung t natin, substitute lang natin yung 1 seconds. Ayan. 1 seconds. So, yung 1 second is squared pa natin. So, 1 pa rin. 1 s squared. Yan. So, the final answer is y is equals negative 4.9 meter. So, pag position, makikita natin is meter yung yung unit niya. Okay, next, for t is equals 2 seconds. Okay, same formula. So, y is equals 1 half negative 9.8 meter per second squared. Yung t natin, palitan natin ng value na 2.0 second. Then squared. So, i-squared pa natin. Unahin natin squared yung time. So, that's okay. Yun na. Y is equals 1 half negative 9.8 meter per second squared. 4 na siya ang result doon sa Kasi 2 times 2 equals 4. Then 4 second squared. So, the final answer is y is equals negative 19.6 meters. Let's proceed for t is equals to 3.0 second. Okay, same. Ayan. So, 3 times 3 squared is 9. 9s squared. So, the final answer is y is equals to negative 44.1 meter. Lahat sila negative yung mga result kasi down to downward tayo. Pababa yung position niya. Nahuhulog siya galing sa taas. Okay, let's proceed for the velocity. So, yung gagamitin natin na equation that's v sub y is equals negative 9.8 meter per second squared. Multiply natin ng time. Okay, for t is equals 1 second. Ayan. So, diretso na natin napalitan ng 1 second si t. So, the result is negative 9.8 meter per second. So, remember, yung velocity, pag hahanapin natin ang velocity, yung unit ng velocity is meter per second. So, nakancel lang yung isang second. For the t is equals 2 seconds, yan, same equation yung gagamitin natin. So, substitute lang natin yung t. T is 2.0 seconds. Multiply silang dalawa. So, the result of v sub y for the t is equals to 2 second is negative 19.6 meter per second. Okay, for the t is equals 3 seconds, same equation. Substitute the value for the t, yung 3. And then the final answer is v sub y is equals negative 29.4 meter per second.